The RPS feels that there's a real big opportunity here to look at health and well-being in its round, and actually Sir Michael Marmot produced the original Marmot report, which talked about the investment that we need to make in reducing health inequalities, and pharmacy has a key role to play in that. We see apparently well people, and here's an opportunity for us to keep them well and to help to avoid them ending up ill and in need of medical support, taking away from the biomedical model and seeing pharmacy as the key place where we deliver health and well-being. And actually Healthy Living Pharmacy is almost part of that concept. But I think pharmacy has a key role in managing and supporting health inequalities going forward and helping to reduce them, not just to continue to establish them, but actually breaking some of those barriers down. Because we're in the community, we're close to where people live, we have the opportunity to better understand the public that we serve and therefore help them to meet the needs that they see for themselves rather than the ones we want to give them. So I think to a great extent this is going to be around being engaged with the public health standards that the Royal Pharmaceutical Society has produced and seeing them as part of delivery of improving our role in healthy living and health outcomes. So health inequalities on their own are just a part of the equation. It is about our ability to support all of the public in helping them to meet their needs and to see their opportunity to reduce some of the incidents of illness which are related maybe to demographics, maybe related to population, maybe related to age, maybe related to all sorts of issues which are much more local to those communities. And actually if we can start to address those things through those positions of being local to the community, I think we have an opportunity to show significant benefit in reducing disease and reducing the prevalence of disease and therefore helping to meet the needs of that population. And from pharmacy's perspective, it's just going and doing it and demonstrating through capturing data what difference we can make, and then for that to be seen as the route to improving health outcomes. So I think to a great extent it is going to be recording through things like pharma outcomes, because actually one of the things that pharmacy has been poor at is capturing the data that shows how much of a role we play. We have lots of people saying, well, what does pharmacy do? And obviously from a pharmacy perspective we talk about all the great things that we have done, but what we've never been able to do is prove that maybe as well as we should. And one of the things for us is to be seen as being research ready, which is part of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society's initiatives, and therefore to capture the data through things like pharma outcomes, whatever routes people want to use, that enable us to be able to demonstrate how we have improved outcomes and reduced inequalities as a consequence.